How to fix Instagram couldn't add to template. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your Instagram app. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Instagram. If you see update sign, tap on update and update your app. Now let's head over to our settings application. Scroll below to the option of apps and search for Instagram. As you do so, under usage, tap onto storage and clear the cache. Once you clear your cache, head over to your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. From there, tap onto your profile on your bottom right, then tap on three bar icon on your top right. In order to fix this problem, you have to switch your personal account to a business, and in case you have a business account, try switching that to a professional or a personal account. Now scroll below and under for professionals, tap on account type and tools. Tap on switch to professional account. Choose any category that you would like. Go back to your page, refresh it, and that shall fix your problem. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.